Hi everyone, today we are going to study about the light. So let's see its definition. So the light is a formation or form of energy which affects our eyes to produce the sensation of vision. Suppose that I have this object. Suppose that it is an object and this object is able to I am able to see it because of light that light is streaking it in this object, and this is reflecting to our eyes so that we are able to see this object. So without light we cannot see an object. So we have learned about the light and its definition. So the source of light, there is some source of light. They are of two types. That is natural source of light and artificial source of light. So the natural source of light means that the natural thing in which that light is coming out from that object, like the sun. That is natural source of light. From there we get a natural light, and as well as the Junos, fireflies. That is also the means the natural source of light. So these are the natural source of lights. So let's see the artificial source of light. So the artificial source of light means that the light which is not natural, which doesn't came from the nature, that is made by man-made by us. That is the artificial source of light. The example is too many. That is the bulb, the bulb, the torch, the lamp. These are the natural source of light. So, natural source of light means that which comes from nature, which is made by nature, which is in nature. And the artificial source of light means that which doesn't come from nature. It is not made by nature, it is made by us, man-made. So it is like a torch, lamp, bulb. So these are the examples of artificial source of light. So these two are the source of light. So let's study about luminous body and non-luminous body. So the luminous body means that the body which emits their own light. The body which emits their own light is called the luminous body. Like torch, lamp, sun, moon. So the the moon is not a natural source of light. It is an artificial source of light, because artificial source of light, because it shines because the light of sun. So we are studying about the luminous body. So the object which emits their own light is called a luminous body, and and a body which doesn't emits their own light, that is called a non-luminous body. So what is non-luminous body? The body which do not emits their own light is called a non-luminous body. So there are some examples of luminous body and non-luminous body. So the examples of luminous body is sun, torch, lamp, etc., etc. and etc. So there are examples of non-luminous body, that are table, chair, bed, fan, AC. These all are non-luminous body examples. So now let us learn some terms, some important terms that are there. Some means there are three. The first is transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. So these are objects. So let us discuss about the transparent object. So the transparent object means the object through which light can pass easily. Light can pass easily is called a transparent object, and the translucent object is a object through which light can pass partially. Some light can only pass. That is called a translucent object, and the opaque object. And the opaque object is that in which the light cannot pass through the object. So let's see some examples of transparent, translucent, and opaque object. So the first, let's see the first means the transparent object. So in this, the examples maybe the glass, the plastics, the there are too many etc. So the examples of translucent, there is the tracking paper, and the examples of the opaque object. So there is the opaque object: table, chair, wood, bed, fan. These are all the opaque object through which light cannot pass. So let's see in the beam of light and a ray of light. The light travels in a straight path, in a straight line. It's called what do you say, a ray of light through which the light is passing straightly. It's called a ray of light. What is a beam of light? So beam of light, a group of light given out from a source, is called a group. Beam of light. And so in this the bodies, there is too many rays of light. In that case, it is called the beam of light. So I hope you have studied about the basics of the light. So in another video, we will discuss about the rest of the rest of the things that we have left today. So in this video, this much only. Let's meet you in another video.